My name is John Prydish. I'm the president and founder of Success Partners. Some 17 years ago, I founded the company on the principles that we really needed in this industry a manufacturing-centric, business-centric solution, not just technology. One of the emphasis that we have is, just because you can doesn't mean you should. And what do I mean by that? ERP can do so much and it can almost be overwhelming. Crawl, walk, run. What are you trying to achieve? Your vision is the most important thing about making an investment like this.
Get the basics in, get it running, get some quick wins and some benefits out of the system before you take on those advanced features. I can manage RFQs in Epicor, and if I flag a quote, a job, a purchase order, whatever that might be, that I need to go out and get a request for quote, in those engineer to order environments, engineering might be driving this. This is what's going to tell purchasing that they need to do that.
We've secured over $500 million for our clients to date, assisting almost 1,000 different clients. Over 93% of the applications that we've written have been successful.
We use everything in Epicor. Orders, engineering bombs, MRP, purchasing, inventory planning, shop floor, quality, shipping, invoicing and finance.
So these are a whole of business systems implementations, and so everybody from across the business needs to be involved.
I'm going to talk today a little bit more around this concept of Prism, generative AI, and the way that we're starting to bring that into an ERP system. The way that we're going about developing Prism is working with you, our customers, to make sure that this is something that's going to help you solve business problems, something that's going to help you with being able to grow your business.
So if a technician's out there and they want to use their mobile device as opposed to a tablet or a PC or a laptop, they'd have access to this screen right here. If we sync this before we go offline, it'll store all of these service reports, whether they're jobs or break fix scenarios, whatever it might be. It'll store those in there, and then when you get back into data or Wi-Fi and we resync that, that'll push that information back in through FSM and then ultimately back in through Kinetic.
In 2022, we were at 10 million. In 2023, we did 20 million, and just Epicor, using the Epicor and the services that it provided, helped us get us there.
At the end of the day, we are here to see you achieve your best. So thank you very much for coming out today. Really appreciate it. Hopefully we covered off some valuable information. Thanks everybody. Take care.